hayi ndiyakuxelela, we are back to square one. Uyaduka nalo mfana, abuye eduke ngaka. I mean, but she just doesn't want to report. So, kunyanzelekile into yobana izinto ezinjalo ziripotwe emapoliseni. Enye into, xa abantu besenza izinto ezilona hlobo, ukuba ngaba abaripotwa, then there are no consequences for their actions. They just continue over and over. Enye into ebalulekileyo ke bese ndithethile ye-support. But abantu abazokwazi ukusupporta if you are not available to be supported. Ukuze abantu bakusupport funeka ukuba invite into your space. If uyababhebhetha, abantu will stay away until ube ready ukuba ufumane lo support. Ndakhe ndayenza a talk about financial whatever for Roma. Comment endayifumanayo from ulutsha bathi makuthethile thethe kamandi thethe kakuhle. Kodwa akhange uthethe khona le nto yamantombazana asebenzayo anike imali yayo boyfriends abo ezingasebenzi. Ndigqibile ke mosne bayixakile. So that is a form of abuse nayo. It's financial abuse. Right, when you are in a partnership with someone, ukuba support, but, and the but in capital letters, you have to protect your own interests, especially your financial interests, who are financially abused. Start thinking about your relationship and the financial aspects by injani. And your relationship, you know the truth. So, uzawuyazi uba situation of financial abuse, and then you can take appropriate action. Enye into ke emasingayenzi xa sikwi relationships. Do not suffocate your partner. Do not suffocate your partner. Uzawudika ndilelele. Uzawudika aqonda namhlanje andifuni uba naye uyabo and angafuni ke ngokokoko. So allow yourself and your partner space, because now you need your space. And this goes for both men and women. Yes, abesilisa bacinga issue yamantombazana le nani niyathanda uba can't be. And then into that is a problem is taking your partner for granted. Zawuthetha ke ngamalindi. Thetha ngamalindi. Yabona ndakhe ndaxelela a friend of mine at varsity. Sisebancinci. Yabona laa nto kaJohn noMary.
She lost to the chief.
uJohn noMary mabangadlali ethini, mabafane babe bahle okokoko. bebahle yabo bebahle because into eyenzeke ne into yokubana elaa xesha kuqala udityana hayi uJohn noMary bayafana hayi ngoku hayi ndimqhele utata uMakhasi myeni wam ndimqhele utata uMakhasi mama suka ndifuna uthenga i-AMC ngale mali yam andizobe ndithenge ezazinto kanti utata uMakhasi ujongile abaneqonga yashisa kwenzela ntoni ngokwakho sisi so urayithi sewumdala urayithi uba sexy right ukuba sexy ngendlela esexy not ngendlela emdaka ne sibe sexy ngendlela esexy ndiyandibona mos
ewe mani
ndilapho ndicela isha apha ne
Go deeper, Papa.
Right. Enye into ke that is usually quite controversial into ye-role definition. Ndikhule as a young woman, fiercely independent. I still am fiercely independent. But I also had this idea of I'm a feminist. And and I still am. But who has experienced life. And at all times, I want to be treated as a lady. I want to be treated as a woman. I want to be treated with tenderness. I want to be loved at all times. And none of that takes away from my independence. I still do my own things. I still work. I still make decisions at the highest levels possible. I still do all of these things. But when I'm in my space, in my home, I'm a mama, I'm a wife, I'm a Mrs. And I want to be treated like that. And so, kuyafuneka apha ezingqondweni zethu sibe nazo ezaa compartments zokuba I can do all of these things without them clashing. Similarly, with otata, akho sizathu sento yokubana utata uze abe ngutata abe ngqwabalala. Akho need for that. You can be a loving, tender, attentive man and still hold the power yokuba nguwe intloko yekhaya. In fact, sometimes I think that works so much better than umuntu ongqwabalala, because umuntu ongqwabalala uya-alienate, akabasondezi abantu. Uyaqonda? So it goes both ways. So then your role definition in any relationship is important, whether it is a heterosexual relationship or it is a homosexual relationship, whatever kind of relationship. They have kuyafuneka into yokubana kubekho i-clarity yokuba irole yam apha kule relationship iqala phi iphelele, irole yepartner yam, so that you complement each other. That's the whole point of being in a relationship, a stable. Hey, Sonda. Is it really Okay, so this is a topic that is very bothersome to me. Last year, I think it was around August, November, whatever. But again, there was a celebration of one of the teams, the sports at the university. So, city council meetings was celebrated at the event in Hall. Dihlela apha eCangoreta. Uncokola ke ngoku about a phenomenon of young women who throw themselves at older men. Uncokola is a general topic. I've been meaning to tell you this, but I just got it out. Ngale mini bekukho this event. Kuneegate ezintathu kwi-WC. There's that one eyangaseCastle Flake, kukho le, that was the main road, Modern Road. Kubekho le iya eBelhar. Uphuma ke ngoku ngale ndlela yaseBelhar because ikufutshane nendawo lekhulu. Akazange waphuma ngalaa ndlela before. It's a Friday. Xa ephuma kukho a row of cars apha ngaphandle. So xa ebuya ke ngoku on the Monday uyabalisa uba heyi andiyazi uba beqhubeka ntoni Friday. Bekuneemoto ezininzi phaa kuthi hayi borayitha uphila kunephiliso wena. Ajena imoto ithetha ngani? Kuthi hayi into ya every Friday leya. Ootata bayafika umzalwane ungaka kumfundisa ungaka. Bayafika umzalwane ungaka neemoto zabo ezifensi bamise phaa beyirowu. Abazanga mntwini o-specific. Yaba? Abazanga mntwini o-specific. Bafika nje umntu afika amise. Uyayazi uba bakhona bazawuphuma, bazomqoqoza, bangene. That is where we are with our young women. And that is an issue. And if it went down, asiyilungise apha ecaweni, because kaloku nini the same people abalapha ecaweni are the same people abapha kweza universities. And so ezo zinto zilungise, as young women, don't undervalue yourselves. You are worthy. You are worth more than earpiece. You are worth more than gold or silver or whatever. You are worth so much more. Preserve yourselves. Sanuhambe nizijula ebantwini abanganikhathalelanga. Abaza kuluzisela izifo. This is now the truth. This is the truth. This is the world we live in. Ekufuneka sincokolile nani ngalo eli lizwe siphila kulo. Sizame ukunincedisa to navigate these challenges that you are facing. I have a friend who let me help this my best friend actually. Ukule, she lost her father when she was 3 years old. Mamaki was shaken with 6 children to raise. She was the last born. And they struggled. Really struggled. Yellowish. But she was never tempted because as but they were not as endemic as what they are now. And I mean, one of the most beautiful people I know, but she stayed true to her course and lift herself up, but also lift her family. You would never think Umjoseke was so old. And why? Because she had the determination, that tenacity. I am going to make it. I am going to take myself out of this. And I am going to take my family out of this. It is possible. And ke ngoku nina as young people, ninawo loo mandla. Sanikutyhafa. Sanikuthi kuzoba nee-obstacles zininzi and azipheli. Azizuphela xa una-40, azizuphela xa una-50, so they will continue. What's important is your strength of character during those times. Because ekugqibeleni izinto ziyadlula. Izinto ziyadlula uzibone sowuphumelele. You know why? Because God is always there.